juicer machines, slow masticating juicer extractor, cold press, juicer with 2 speed modes, 2 travel bottles, 500 milliliter, LED display, easy to clean brush, and quiet motor for vegetable and fruits, gray color. Welcome, my friend. AMZCHEF Slow Juicer creates high-quality fruit or vegetable juices based on a method that minimizes oxygen and heat exposure, which effectively preserves the nutrients, colors, and aromas of the ingredients. Here are the top benefits of juice. It helps you lose weight quickly, improves nutrient absorption, feeds good bacteria in your gut, helps detox your liver, lowers blood sugar levels, improves your skin, broadens the range of vegetable you eat, improves athletic performance. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.